You switch on your Bluetooth speaker, you connect to it, and you start enjoying your music. The Bluetooth speaker allows you to enjoy your music with others because it amplifies the audio for you. But as you keep on enjoying your music, time flies and you get a notification telling you that the battery is low. Now, there's no way to fix this. The only way to fix it is by putting it back on charge. But what about if there was another way? Sun is like one big battery. Solar panel allows you to harvest the power from the sun. Now, this is a 5-volt solar panel. Now, if I want to play music for long periods of time, I have to find a radio that's compatible with the solar panel. Mostly because if I use the wrong radio, it will draw too much amps. And if it draws too much amps, it's not going to work. And old radios are the best type of radios because there's less energy needed for them to function. Now, this one takes 3 AA batteries. Now, I'm going to take the output from the solar panel and connect it directly to the radio. Now, to find which is positive and negative, usually it's just the corners of the batteries. So if you want to find out how to power the radio, you just find out which corner is positive or negative. Power from the solar panel is going directly to the FM radio. As you can see, I'm using 2 AA batteries to hold the solar panel wires in place, but without a battery in the middle, the circuit is not completed. So these 2 batteries are basically doing nothing. They're not producing any power for the radio itself. And I'm using the cover for the radio to hold the wires in place. So as you can see, the radio is on. As you can see, the radio is on. Now I'm using the FM transmitter to send music to the radio, and I'm using an external speaker for more bass because it's bigger and it has 6 watts max power, which is perfect. Now all I have to do is just press play on the music. But now, if I put my hand in front of the solar panel, it will switch off. As you can see. Watch this. Nothing. Just like that, it's back to normal, and I can increase the volume. Just like that. Now we need more of a challenge to see what the solar panel can power, and I found a perfect match. This is an old radio. As you can see, I removed most of the electronics. It had a DVD player, and yeah, it had so many other things connected to it, but I removed most of it to at least reduce the power consumption. Now this radio actually works on 12 volts. Now this solar panel does not produce 12 volts, and in order for me to power this radio, I would have to use a step up. Now by using a step up, I can produce the voltage needed for this radio to operate. Now all I have to do is just take the power from the solar panel and connect it to the step up. The step up is being powered by power coming from the solar panel. As you can see, it's connected. This is the input right here. Now I need to adjust the voltage to 12 volts. That should be enough. Now I need to find the input for the radio and connect it to the output of the step up. Just like that, it's wired up. Now the output is going directly to the old radio, and the input from the solar panel is going directly to the step up. Just like that. And now let's see if it has power. Look at that. There's power. The FM radio is working perfectly. Now, if I pair this old radio with an FM transmitter, I got myself Bluetooth. The FM transmitter is transmitting the music that I want to play, and the FM frequencies are matched. Now, if I press play on the music and increase the volume, please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.